Hello everyone. I am going to change the alternator. I'm going to replace it on this 2004 Oldsmobile Alero 2.2. This car has been showing me lots of things, and it's a special car apparently. So yeah, let's get into it. I don't know if it's the technical way, but you see, this is my alternator here. This is the front of it. So I go to the back side and I put my screwdriver and I see if I feel it pulling, because there's a magnet spinning in there that should pull, but there's nothing. There's no type of resistance at all. Okay, remember, first thing, go ahead and take off the negative battery cable post. So I'm gonna take off this clip to remove this hose, which is going from my reservoir to my radiator. Did get a pan down here to catch, and I also have more coolant. This bad boy and move him out of. And I'm going to remove this clip. Remove, where is it? Okay, this alternator clip. Okay, got bolt number 1, bolt number 2, and down here we have bolt number 3 right there. Okay, so the 2 bolts are 13 milliliters. Isn't this so cool? They're colorful. My granddad got them for me. Anyways. Good place. Okay, it's probably pretty self-explanatory, but when you are removing the bolts, you're gonna want to hold the alternator up. I'm holding it up with this hand, with my right hand, and I'm removing the bolts with my left. Yeah, or else you'll probably like break a bolt. So yeah, you don't want to break a bolt. Okay, so my alternator is loose. There is a positive. Let's see if I can turn it around. Positive battery boot right there. That's where it connects from the battery. And yeah, you can't get to it on this car apparently until you remove the alternator, because it's in a weird place. Okay, we hired some free help and we are getting it back in. This is our 3rd alternator that we went and got from Pick and Pull and got tested. This one was good, so I'm glad. And we have got the positive battery wire already hooked up. The clip is about to go in. I'm glad we got it right. And that clip was hard to get out of there because it's so snug in that spot. I actually had to dig my hand underneath this. But it might be easier now that everything's off of there. And I'm about to put our bolts back in. Okay, now we got the alternator on, and we are pulling on the tensioner to loosen up and get this belt to come back around. This is how many people? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Me and my mom went to Pick and Pull. pulled off our alternators on our own, all three of them. And we got these two gentlemen. This is my stepdad, and this is Josh. And they got that belt on there, which I probably wouldn't have been able to get on. So sometimes you need help. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you are not already, subscribe to my channel because I'm awesome. I do car repairs. I try to give you a little insight, a little peek into my life. Yeah, anything, leave me a comment. And have a great day. Bye.